Right, here we are. Here's something that will give the McBrides wet dreams. All the tractors. A Fordson Major. A Roadless. The McBrides seem to like their Fordsons, I know that. McCormick International. Another Fordson. Fordson there. Nuffield. Very nice. Okay. BMC. I think we've had a couple of these Fergusons at McBride's International. They're mainly concerned with trucks in America. And Massey Ferguson, my friend Alan uses those quite frequently. He's got a Massey Ferguson telehandler and a tractor, both of which may be about 15 years old. And Ford's down to here. Another single Ferguson. Fordson Dexter. Massey Ferguson. Ooh. I haven't seen this one before. Oh, a Field Marshal Diesel. Oh, that's a rare one. John Deere. A favourite among playrooms and farmers alike. And of course the others at the end. A little more Massey. Lots of these, as you can see, are cabless. This was before the Nancy state where they had cabs all over. Like that one at the end, that was quite decadent in its day, I'll expect. The last International. Anyway, that's the last of the tractor history. I'm James Braithwaite, still here in Daresbury, and I will see you soon.